Should leaders and companies invest in one-on-one coaching or workshops? Bringing in an outside coach or speaker brings a fresh perspective to a team and organization. It's a cost-effective way of getting the best out of your employees. Whether it's one-on-one or through group coaching and workshops, it gives a great return on investment. You get a tax break and you have teams who are more creative and motivated. Outside coaches offer a new way of looking at things that leaders or internal coaches may not be aware of, which energizes, inspires, and builds more cohesive teams. To achieve consistent results, coaching should be done regularly. The gold standard being, make coaching the cultural norm in your organization.